Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Error Riot Client not opening Valorant Windows 11. Chapter 1. How to fix Error Riot Client not opening Valorant Windows 11 updating Windows. To start, click Start and select Settings. After that, in the Windows Update section, you can check if there is an update for the system. Then open Riot to check that it works without error. Chapter 2. How to fix Error Riot Client not opening Valorant Windows 11 adjusting shortcut. To get started, right-click on the Riot Client shortcut, select Properties. Here in the Compatibility tab, check the boxes, Run this program as an administrator, and run this program in compatibility mode for, remember that you can choose the edition. Click Apply and OK. Open Riot from the shortcut to dismiss the error. Click Yes to access. Chapter 3. How to fix Error Riot Client not opening Valorant Windows 11 reinstalling Vanguard. To start, in the search box enter Control. Click on Uninstall a program. Now select Riot Vanguard and click on Install. Click Yes to confirm. After this, click Yes and wait for it to be uninstalled. Now open Valorant, click Yes to authorize, and you can see that Vanguard will automatically be installed. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.